Most teens are familiar with the app TikTok, a video-focused social networking service used for creating, sharing, and discovering short videos. The app is often used as an outlet for young people to express themselves through singing, dancing, comedy, and lip-syncing videos. Although many teens first downloaded TikTok as a joke, the addictive nature of the platform soon had everyone hooked.
I first downloaded TikTok in summer 2019, just like as a joke, because it was getting popular, but then it became super fun.
Many teens use the app daily, whether it be scrolling through their For You page, watching videos from the people they follow, or creating their own videos. Ranging from upbeat dancing videos to carefully thought through comedy skits, most teens have experienced their fair share of creating content.
My favorite TikTok was at Darien Fest. I had glasses, and then I took pictures of people with the glasses in them, and then made a TikTok, and it came out really well.
My favorite TikTok that I've ever made would probably be making a funny TikTok with my dog.
My favorite TikTok that I made is one that we made before dance practice, where we all did the jerk challenge.
So my favorite TikTok I made was with Rose and Emma at one of our competitions for Phillies. And it was an old trend from 2016, and it was like, wait.
My favorite TikTok I've ever made, I made last Saturday with the director, Lauren Miranda, in my bed. It was a total drama island filter, and we were total drama island characters.
My favorite TikTok is one that me and my friends made in the morning before school because it went viral and has like 10K likes.
My favorite TikTok I made was with 3 of my other friends, and we made it to this trending sound.
However, TikTok does have many negative effects that can't be seen on the surface of the popular entertainment app. The app appeals to a short attention span, as most videos are extremely short and quickly scrolled through. A Microsoft study shows that the average attention span is rapidly decreasing due to technology becoming more prominent in our daily lives, and you can't help but wonder if TikTok is partly to blame. The app also wastes time and tends to spread misinformation. But the major negative effect of the app is that it's a platform for bullying. The app's ability to spread content quickly across millions of devices leads to many people experiencing cyberbullying. Whether it be popular TikTokers or a single viral video, it seems as if no one is safe from the hateful and damaging comments often left on the app.
So I post TikToks in college with my friends, and I noticed after the first few months of school, my account started to blow up. And when accounts blow up on TikTok, they tend to get a lot of comments, especially from people that I'm not friends with or I don't know. And I think a trend on TikTok that I've noticed in both my own account and in a lot of my friends' accounts when they have videos that go viral is that a lot of the comments aren't so positive, especially when they stem from spam accounts with just like random usernames or random profile pictures, and they just leave hate comments for fun, and that like floods a lot of people's comment sections. It's obviously not the best feeling to read hate comments about you, but at the same time, it's kind of like the nature of online social media today.
While TikTok is incredibly entertaining, it is important to remember the magnitude of your words and actions on the app. No one deserves to experience negativity, especially on a platform created solely for enjoyment. There is no doubt TikTok has taken the internet by storm, and it will be interesting to see what the future of the app has in store.